Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the new vlog as well. And firstly, thank you so much for 5k subscribers. So after a while, not a while, after so long, I have decided to just give my wall a little change. And yeah, that's what the plan today. And I thought, why not to vlog it? So basically, these fluid arts and this Captain America CD DIY is here for a while, so I've decided to like change the pattern a little bit. So what I did was I made frames out of cardboard and I took some printouts to make the photo frame. So yeah, let me show you that how I made the frames and how I like spray painted on them. Basically I spray painted them with silver paint. So yeah, let me show you that. So yeah, the paint took almost half an hour to dry off. Now it's time to paste the printouts with the frame. So yeah, let's do that. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll So now it's time to clean up the wall just above my bed. So yeah, let's start with it. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. So yeah, here I have everything: the frames, the double-sided tape, and the scissors. So finally I ended up like pasting this on my wall because the frames are not of same size, so it was a little confusing for me. But yeah, I finally completed this task. So now I have decided to put up some fairy lights लगाने का मैंने सोच लिया है. Here also I have some these artificial leaves which I bought last year for I guess Christmas. So I finally ended up pasting the leaves and this is how everything looks like. Hey everyone, so I'm very happy I have finished doing everything, and so yeah, today was a productive day, I would say. So basically the thing is our Diwali vacations are going on, so that's why I decided to do something different for myself. So yeah, I ended up doing this. Also because our Diwali vacations are going on, the Diwali vacation started from 1st and they'll end I think on 6th or 7th. Also I have to do my vacation homework, so that is also pending. Also we have completed our 5k subscribers, so let me do a quick introduction of myself. Let me tell you, my full name is Mannat Sharma and I study in class 9th. My age is 13 and I was born in 2007. My birthday comes on 1st December. Also our channel has reached 5k subscribers. When I started my YouTube channel, I never thought that I would reach here like 5k subscribers. I know Many YouTubers are having millions and millions of subscribers, but for me, 5K means a lot. So yeah, thank you so much for that. Keep loving, keep supporting. I hope that this month DIY school supply video will come, because I need to continue my series. So every month I have to upload a DIY school supply video. So I'll give my 100% for that. And till then, bye and thanks for watching.